Oh, a stray cat. You were sitting on the couch in the back there. I thought you were the neighbour's cat, but no. Oh, their cat's frightened of you. Then I put you down outside their house and you came back, walked up to me. And then, yes, you're sitting on the stairs. Would you like vegan cat kibble? First off, who says we need transitioning for adult cats onto vegan food? That is one fat, well-fed cat. Well, he's not fat, but listen to that. First time a grown-up cat sees vegan cat food, Benevo it is, and it eats it. There's no need to be talk about fussy cats. And he's not hungry because that's a sleek little cat. I think he belongs to someone, but I mean, it's been such awful weather this morning, hasn't it? Hasn't it, me? Oh, la la. You like me, don't you? Oh, it's purring. It's purring. Well, I mean, yes, you would if you had vegan cat food. You're white toes. Well, you're not a starving cat, but there we are. I've put the litter tray. It's a bad day. They say that it's going to freeze tonight. Well, you were sat on the back of the couch where Mimi used to sit, and I thought, no, for my heart missed a beat. Oh, I thought my little Mimi's come, but you're far too big, and she didn't have any white on her. Oh yes, it's nice that. Oh yes, it is. There you go. Right, well, I'm going to step over you now.